Shore Sports here with Admiral Bailey. I think the football, you know, in the latter part of this competition hasn't served your team the best result. You know, injuries, Pennycook not in. When Pennycook come in, teams look better. A lot of chances in the game, but couldn't score. Tell us, summarize how your team performed.
Yeah, well, I think we performed overall well. We just didn't capitalize on our chances. As you rightfully say, when Pennycook is in the team, it's a total different team defensively. When he's out, you know, but we cannot build a team like that. You know, we have to build a team that is rounded, that if one player is out, then the next one capitalize. I have to give credit to the Waterhouse goalkeeper. I think he keep them into the game, and he's the reason between us losing and them winning. But as I said, the team played very well. We get a lot of chances. I mean, you had the game. I think for the first half, at least, we should have been 4 goals up at half time. But we didn't capitalize on the chance. And as you know, it's goal win match. It's not how well you play, it's not good play, but you have to convert. And that is the difference this evening. Waterhouse get 1 chance and convert. And hence they end up with the 3 points and we on the back foot.
I've seen a team that, you know, the physical aspect of your team has improved, fitness has improved, and your team is really running, really creating a lot of opportunities, penetrating well in these last rounds of games.
Well, our hope and objective is to make the top 6. The good thing about it, as I said, our opponent that is chasing us also lost. We have 2 remaining games, which is very critical and very hard. One with Arnett Garden and the last one with Cavaliers. 2 teams that is finding them foot. We are also finding our foot. One thing I can tell you, when these 2 games elapse and we are in the top 6, we're going to be a very dangerous team to contend with.
Thank you very much, Admiral.